Greetings. Welcome to xaHa #1. I'm changing the name, which it originally was AHA, but I wanted to make it easier for you to search up if you needed to search it. So it's going to be XA capital HA #1A. Welcome to xaHa #1A, which is the vid and reading notes, or the vid and notes for Marigolds. Before we do that, let's take a look at the vocabulary, how it should look. All right, so we have first empathy. We can see empathy there, the word in the middle. We have the definition, the ability to understand and share feelings with another. Part of speech noun. Synonyms, what? Compassion, sympathy. Very good. Antonyms, selfishness, distance. That your sentence, or her sentence in this case, Julia's. The angry customer had no empathy for the cashier that had been working all night. And then we have a wonderful picture there. We see prosperity, right? We see degenerated, and stoicism. Some of you might have had a little bit difficulty trying to find a picture, but stone face is good for stoicism, right? Okay, that's just a quick glimpse of things there. All right, let's get to marigolds. So, marigolds #1. What is the setting of marigolds? And then you'll put marigolds takes place in Maryland in 1929 during the Great Depression when the author was turning 14 years old. And I'm going to give you quite a few answers since this is the first one, but normally I'll just give you one or two just to get you started on the work. All right, so what does Christian quote? 124 to 134, and let's take a look at it. Okay, so then you listen and then you put the answer. 124 to 134. We children, of course, were vaguely aware of the extent of our poverty. We were somewhat unaware of the world outside of our community, right? And that's a child is in a bubble. Okay. All right. Question number 3. Yeah, but later in that paragraph, her description gets a little more interesting. 135 to 155. Okay. All right. And so then you will put the answer there. Put what she said right there. And then now I'm just going to kind of give you a highlight and get to these time signatures: 243, 448, 530. And then you should put the answer in there. So this is basically listening skills to help you understand the story. Okay, I think we're at 243 next. Here we go. Okay, and then the next spot is 448. Okay, and then number 6, 5:30. Okay. And that's a wrap right there. That's your highlights. And then you can put in those answers from what you heard in the quote, what you heard in the video.